एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए.
Today, we're joined by a special guest who's got the whole entertainment world buzzing. He's been earning praise for his performance in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's OTT debut, Hira Mandi. I'm so excited to be joined by the real-life Hira of Hira Mandi, Jason Shah, aka Mr. Cartwright,
How are you doing?
on this special walk with segment at Ballad Estate in Mumbai. Hi, Jason.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you
Listen,
doing?
I'm so glad you've dressed up. You've read my mind. This was not planned. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good. It's early. I like early mornings.
Early.
I go to sleep early, so waking up early is, I think it's a good thing. It's a healthy decision to make in life.
How has it been going since the release of Hira Mandi?
Just feels good to know that people have liked my body of work in Hira Mandi, and yeah, it feels great.
Fresh off the success of Hira Mandi, there's been a lot of chatter about Sanjay Leela Bhansali's directorial filmmaking ways. How is it like working with him?
I think it's great. I've worked with quite a few directors on the set.
You know, there's been chatter in particular about how he's a perfectionist on the set. Have you had any experiences with that?
Yeah, definitely. We've done at one time, I think, about 15 wides.
Sorry, what?
And I was just waiting for that, the normal, we'll just do one more. But yeah, he wants what he wants, and he gets what he gets.
Have there been any other instances on set where you're like, yeah, this is Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
I've heard him say to two actors on either side of me, stop acting from here, start acting from here.
Oh my gosh. In Hira Mandi, you had quite a lot of intimate scenes with Sonakshi Sinha. Did that kind of feel awkward, or did you guys just ease into it? What was that experience like for you?
I can't say a crush, but I think the first time that I saw her in
Yeah.
Dabang, something
Oh
just
my
like
gosh.
sparked
Sonakshi.
me off from there. I think she has charisma, a certain charm. She has amazing confidence.
Yeah.
I think she's great to work with as an actress because she's very focused. I was really encouraged by her. I had fumbled on some of the dialogue, and she was just so kind, and she was like, don't worry, take a moment and come back, prep yourself a little bit. And that's really encouraging because obviously she's done a lot more work than
Yeah.
I have.
Yeah.
And I think that's what it should be, that little, token of kindness one to another. And I was a little nervous on the first take with
Of
her.
course, yeah, that's completely understandable. I also see something I think we're both gonna enjoy. Mumbai ki chai. And I think in the morning, this is a must.
Subah ki chai.
Yes, please. I need something to wake me up.
कैसे है दादा? सब ठीक है? पहले 5 रुपया था, अभी 10.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Early morning chai and Hira Mandi talk. So there was a lot of things that got people talking in Hira Mandi. In particular, the rape scene with Manisha Koirala, I think that sparked a lot of conversation online. Some people believed it shouldn't have been in the series, and some called it scarring. What do you kind of have to say about that? Because you were in that scene, in that scenario.
I honestly felt as I wasn't the one doing it. I felt as if this was something that I was sort of giving as a gift to the men that were in the chamber with me. For her, I was I was blessed to be opposite an actress like her who has such maturity. I know that things like this can be difficult for women sometimes, especially because you're in a room and you're lying down in front of a whole bunch of men you've never met before. She didn't know me.
Absolutely.
So it takes a certain amount of guts and confidence. It takes courage.
You also had an implied intimate scene with Ustad Ji. How is it like watching it back on screen?
I was a little bit nervous.
Yeah.
I'll have to be honest. Sanjay sir actually told us कि उसको mechanical नहीं दिखना चाहिए. It should be very natural.
Correct,
Obviously, when you're watching yourself on screen, you're like, oh my god.
Yeah.
It definitely.
That's
brings
what I
some
wanted to
laughs.
know. I was like watching it back. Were you like, What?
I definitely have gotten response from my friends and family, and they were like, "We weren't expecting that in the first."
Oh, was it a
episode."
surprise?
Oh, definitely. I didn't tell anyone about anything about this shoot because usually I do. I give them little gossips, you know, like this happened and that happened. This time I was just like, "Oh, it's very
Oh, you were spilling the tea. So you're always kind of playing these British roles. Is that something you're looking for, or is that like a general case of typecasting?
I would say typecasting in a lot of ways, obviously due to my look.
Yeah.
And I understand that. I think some people think that I would be getting, upset or frustrated at this point. As long as there is a difference in roles, I have, started to break off in a few
Yeah.
ways. I've just completed something with Dharma, which
Oh.
is very different.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's huge. That's huge. Very casually dropping this bomb.
So that's very different. It's something I haven't done before.
Yeah.
Very different avatar.
And that kind of leads me into my next question. You've been acting for so long. How were your early days like in Mumbai acting? Were there any struggles? How was that like?
बहुत ज़्यादा struggle किया है. The things that I have done.
You hear these really like horrifying stories of actors having that casting couch experience. Have you had any
course.
experiences like
Of
that?
course. When I was very young, actually.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, very young. I was sort of indirectly asked, for that, and I was offered a very big movie as well, and it was a very big director. And I've been asked indirectly quite a few times. For me, that's never going to happen
Of course.
due to the fact that I'm here on my merit.
Absolutely.
I know I can work hard. I'm a
Absolutely.
good hard worker.
Before Hira Mandi, there was Big Boss as well. And as I recall, you had mentioned something about how Katrina Kaif was kind of the reason why a major chunk of your role from Fitur was cut. Looking back at that right now, what would you say about that situation?
So actually, I think for the sake of TRPs, that was actually changed. What I said.
Oh.
What I said was that Katrina was, needed some part of the movie reshot for whatever personal reasons she had, and because of that, something of mine was left out. Because I understand that, producers are working within budgets and things like that. I think what came out was that I said Katrina Kaif
Yeah, it
cut
is
me
because
out
of
the mix
Katrina.
because of no. It's absolutely. I don't even think she would have a call like that.
Absolutely.
As an actress, I think she does her job very professionally.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Ever since the show did come out, have you been getting DMs and people asking if you're single? For the sake of our viewership, are you single?
Well, not really. There is somebody that we are both, looking in the direction of, as they say, putting a ring on it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I the kind of DMs I've gotten, I don't even want to say, especially with the Ustadji scene. So, I've got marriage proposals and all kinds of stuff happening.
Marriage proposals? All this relationship talk makes me want to ask you, have you had any like funny dating experiences in Mumbai?
I've had crazy stuff where I think whether it be Tinder or Grindr or all of these different apps,
Yeah.
there are my fake
Oh
accounts
my
over
God.
there. So people are calling me and are like, "Are you on Tinder? Like, why would you need Tinder?" I think that's just a part of life, and once your face gets out there a little bit, those kind of things happen. But of course, I've had loads of different experiences with, shocking experiences. This was when I was very young. I fell in love, very deeply with someone. I even tattooed their name on.
No, not the tattoo. Not the
I
tattoo.
was like that, head over heels for her. But those kind of things happen and you learn. Obviously now I wouldn't, but yeah.
How is it like dating in the public eye though?
I think you need to be a little careful. I've definitely learned that in the recent past.
Don't believe you took her name exactly, but there were news reports of you opening up about your breakup with Anusha.
Correct. Well, thank you for mentioning it, because a lot of people thought that I was taking a dig at her. I was saying it pretty much in general.
Yeah, retrospectively.
Of all my relationships. I think eventually when things don't work, someone is trying to put you in what they see as a
Yes.
relationship, their version of love.
Yeah.
And I think I've taken it on the whole, you know, as all of my exes.
So this segment is called Burning Questions.
All right.
Basically, questions everyone wants to know. Starting with your name,
Jason.
Jason Shah. Can you break down your name for everyone?
So Jason because my mom's British from London, and Shah because my dad's Gujju.
You speak Hindi pretty well. Did you have to, take lessons?
I learned with my staff at home. नौकर लोग के साथ सास बहू जैसे टीवी सीरियल्स देखते थे.
Cartwright keeps talking in a mix of Urdu and Hindi. Did you have to take lessons for that?
No. Due to TV, I've got a lot of practice with heavy dialogue, and
Yeah.
that's why I enjoy this work because it is challenging, but it's fun.
Okay, on that note, I have some Urdu words for you that I would like for you to give me your interpretation of.
Oh gosh,
Okay, first one, Gustakhi.
no idea. Blank.
Mushaira.
Heard that one before.
You got this, come on.
Another blank.
Okay. Hunar.
That I know, but it's not coming. And
Inqilab.
freedom.
Inqilab is actually like revolution.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Mulk.
Again, I'm drawing a blank, but I've heard that one too many times.
So Sharmin has this extremely famous dialogue from Hira Mandi. I have that here with me right now. And I would like for you to recite it in 3 expressions, which is
Okay.
happy, sad,
Okay.
and angry.
एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए. एक बार देख लीजिए, जलने को है तैयार हम. परवाना बना दीजिए. एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए. एक बार देख लीजिए, जलने को है तैयार हम. परवाना बना दीजिए. एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए. एक बार देख लीजिए, जलने को है तैयार हम. परवाना बना दीजिए.
Amazing.
Almost got
Amazing. I
teary-eyed.
love that you've done this. Thank you so
Awesome.
much. Thank you for being such a sport,
Thank
coming
you.
on our channel.
Thank you.
I love that. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
having us.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.